How to reset your Venmo password. If you want to reset your password on Venmo, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is, first of all, if you're having issues logging in, you can first of all launch the Venmo application. Right over here you will find the login button, so just tap the login button. Now normally you would just enter your email, username and your phone number and your password to normally log into your account, but since in this case you forgot your password, what you can do is instead choose to reset it. So you can tap on this forgot your password button right over here. It will ask you to choose the phone or the email that you provided during your setup process or signing up process, and all you have to do is either enter your phone number or either enter your email address. So let me go ahead and then also enter my email address here. You want to make sure to have access to any of these, either your phone or email, otherwise you won't be able to reset your password. After that, tap on the reset password button and it will send a verification code. You can see it says please check your email or phone and follow the instructions, and once you basically check and follow the instructions, you will be asked to choose a new password without having to remember your old password. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.